Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is for the 3 o'clock hour of videos I have for you guys. This job is from the company Assurant, and the job position, the job role will be collections specialist. It was posted 30 days ago, but they are still in need for people to work for this company. They are now paying a $500 new hire bonus at the completion of the required in-person training period in our brothel Washington office. You have to be from Washington or you be relocating to Washington pretty soon. No experience with collections, no problem. We will start you off with paid training on state and federal laws pertaining to collections and how to use our state-of-the-art software application, plus innovative ideas and techniques on investigation, negotiation, and dispute resolution. We'll even pay for you to take the American Collectors Association exam. Once training is completed, this role will be transitioned into work from home 100% remote. Employee must reside within a 100-mile straight line radius of the Bothell, Washington office during the entirety of their employment. Our office is located at 21222 30th Drive, SE Suite 120, Bothell, Washington 98021. Your responsibilities will be locating and contacting former tenants to determine the best course of action, training consumers on how they can resolve their debt, and we can be a helpful resolution to their obligation. Benefits and pay. Competitive hourly pay and uncapped commission, of average of $50,000 to $70,000 in first year, then $70,000 to $100,000 in second year. Income is performance driven and may vary. Health and well-being program benefits start on your first day. Competitive 401k match, generous paid time off and holiday time off. Direct support of your healthy work-life balance, no late nights or weekends. Internal promotions. High energy work environment with contests, training, and rewards. More clients in multi-family housing than anyone. Requirements are high school diploma or GED required, basic math skills, adding, subtracting, multiplication, rounding, and probability. Required confidence and persistence. While working remotely, it is required to have internet services with a minimum internet download speed of 15 megabits per second and a minimum upload speed of 3 megabits per second. You can test your internet speed at www.speedtest.net or by contacting your service provider. Many of our most successful employees come from backgrounds in the following: restaurant servers, cooks, bartenders, etc. Retail salespeople, fast-paced, call center, or customer service agents and real estate business developers. Marketing, insurance, or banking professionals. Car, cellular, insurance, or general sales. Helping people thrive in a connected world. We work with the world's top brands to make smart devices simpler, vehicles last longer, homes more secure, problems easier to solve, and we volunteer in communities all over the globe to help the world become a greener and better place. We come from a variety of countries, cultures, and backgrounds, but we're united by our enduring values of common sense, common decency, uncommon thinking, and uncommon results. So connect with us, bring us your best work and your brightest ideas, and we'll bring you a place where you can thrive. Learn more at jobs.assurant.com. For U.S. benefit information, visit myassurantbenefits.com. For benefit information outside the U.S., please speak with your recruiter. Our culture defined. Our unique culture is a big reason why talented people choose Assurant and why they tend to stay. Although we have a variety of skills and experience, we share common characteristics that are uniquely Assurant. A passion for service, an ability to innovate in practical ways, and a willingness to take chances. We believe that staying on top doesn't mean sacrificing our values. We believe clarity of vision and a sense of purpose will carry us forward. And we take charge of our own success. We call it the Assurant way, excuse me. Company overview. Assurant is a leading global business services company that supports, protects, and connects major consumer purchases. A Fortune 500 company with a presence in 21 countries. Assurant supports the advancement of the connected world by partnering with the world's leading brands to develop innovative solutions and deliver an enhanced customer experience through mobile device solutions. Extended service contracts, vehicle protection services, renters insurance, lender placed insurance products, and other specialty products. Equal opportunity statement. Assurant is an equal employment opportunity employer. It does not use or consider race, color, religion, sex, national origin, age, disability, veteran status, sexual orientation, gender identity, or any other characteristics protected by federal, state, or local law in employment decisions. Now, if you want to apply to this job is based out in Washington State, and the exact location is Bothell. You have to be within the radius of 100 straight shoot to 100-mile radius, straight line radius of the Bothell, Washington office during the entirety of your employment. And it has a $500 new hire bonus, you guys, a new hire bonus. So if you're from this state, Washington State, and you live within 100 miles of Bothell, Washington, then you can be able to get them. You are in great luck to get employed with this job. It's your determination, and if you apply, you'll get the job. If you have the right criteria, the requirements, and everything, qualifications, you will definitely get hired on. Good luck, you guys. Like and subscribe and comment down below. Hit the notification bell. Thank you for coming back, my Diamond crew. If you are new to this channel, my name is Diamond Rose. I'm all about finding work from home jobs and placing onto my channel, and give you guys the run through of what it takes to be successful and how to get the job, how to land it, by just being optimistic and being open-minded into what you can get into when opportunity is knocking. Answer that positive door and go ahead and apply, you guys, because these jobs do not last long. I place them on my channel as I see them load up onto the internet. So just keep on going, you guys. Keep doing it. You will be able to make it to wherever you want to be, into that successful job, landing that great dream job. Just keep going. I'll see you guys on the next video. See you later.